Okay, so I got my box from Beauty Creations yesterday, and it's a nice, cute box. So I'm gonna open it. See the surprise. Okay, here we go. Ooh, I see. It comes like that in the box right here. It says something about thank you. Oh yeah, thank you. And it comes with a little protective sponge right here. And boom. Oh my god. All of this. Look. The blender. Oops, I got the Beauty Creations Cruelty Free, which I love. I got the Flawless Stay Foundation, medium to full coverage, and I got it in the shade FX 3.5. I got this Beauty Creations, this Flawless Stay Hydrating Primer. It says fresh, oil-free, dewy finish. Oh, the packaging is so cute. Not too late to hydrate. Oh, I love it. And then I got this one, which is a Flawless Stay Poreless Primer. This is the one that I was looking forward to. Smoothens and refines pore, and it says semi-matte. And the package is so cute. Let me see what it says here. It says, "This is not a crime to prime. Flawless Stay all day." So cute. I also got this one, the setting spray. This is another one that I was looking forward to for all skin types. And it's a beautiful packaging. What I like about Beauty Creation is that you could say it's kind of like a dupe for a couple of the high brands. It's a weightless 18-hour wear, matte finish, can be used as setting or refreshener, minimizes cracking and melting, oil control. I love it. And let's see what this one says. It says, set in and forget it. Flawless Stay all day. Oh, I love it. And I ordered the Flawless Stay Primer Stick Matte. I really love this one. And it says, stick with us. Oh my god, it's so cute. I like it because, like I said, it's cruelty free. It's like kind of like cruelty free, you know, for animal. And I heard really good reviews about it. I also got this little bag, like makeup bag, that says Flawless Stay all day Beauty Creation. It's like a pinkish, and I think it has something inside, but I didn't want to open it because I'm gonna give this as a gift. So yeah. And okay, so this is the protection spongy thing, and this is like, you know, like the bill, you know. This is kind of like the, you know, but this is just like information about the bill, but I'm trying to conceal my, sorry guys, I'm trying to conceal my my receipt, my address. It's kind of like around here, okay? This is from Beauty Creations. Let's see what else does it have. And that's it. I hope you guys like this review. Beauty Creations, really nice. I'm gonna try out this one right now. Let's see how it looks. And this is my first time posting a video, and it's not paid. I'm not getting paid to promote this, but I love it. I really recommend it. I have tried the foundation before, and it's really good. Ciao. Thank you for watching.